No, it's alright. If you often climb the mountain, hiking the mountain, this road is alright. Yeah, this road is very special. Oh. Very special road. Wah. Ooh. Happy New Year in the mountain. Happy New Year. Ooh. Come to another side now. Come to another side. Oh, come to another side. Come to another side. Oh, reach in this place. This road never come. Another road. Ooh. Here they have two different way. 一个是小天地，一个是小岛。I'm go to 小岛。Wow, very special road this one. We never saw this one. Let's see where we'll be reach because never come to this place. Oh, now remember this road. Right in this area. Now I remember. So I found before we has been this way, this road. So now we reach here. So now we find our road is okay, alright. I was thought I will be lost. I will be lost the road. I cannot find the road. But now it's alright. Now alright. Get it. Get this the road. This is the way to back. To return back. Because too many road sometimes cannot find where which road is going back home. You made me happy for a while. I remember fleeting times when we slept on top of cars. Now I don't know you. But today is no sun. No shining. It's cloudy day. Cloudy day. Okay, Vanchang already get this road. So this road is alright now. So exciting. Okay, that's the road. Okay, now it's just reached here.